Ketika hatimu dan hatiku bertemu di jalan, maka di sana terdapat dua hati, yaitu hati-hati di jalan. Mario Tauing, Palangkaraya.
But I think I lost it. Said that I was fine. Said it from my coffin.